we see how to Tuya programming, okay? Activate. Verify your admin because you already registered your admin. 3. System setting. Networking. Smart lab. Okay. And here is your Tuya application page. And camera and lock. And lock Wi-Fi. Here is your home Wi-Fi, office Wi-Fi, password. Okay. Configure. And you can see the lock beeps 5 beeps all the time. And here it's like this. Okay. The whole situation, something like this. Switch. Here, so be patient, okay? Okay, succeeded. Okay, it's this one. So we have to remotely unlock request. We exit, okay? Exit. Ring the doorbell. Okay. Ring the doorbell. Okay, so we can wave my hands in here. Okay, hands. So hands in here. So wait some seconds. Okay, check. You see? Hand. Okay, unlock. This is how to Tuya programming and remotely unlock request and unlock from the device.